Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and today I wanted to share with you 5 healthy habits that will help ensure that you are meeting your health and fitness goals for this year. Now, these are habits that I've incorporated into my everyday life to guarantee that I'm truly living a healthy and clean lifestyle. If you like videos like these where I share with you healthy tips and habits, please subscribe to my channel and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So, the first healthy habit is actually just a bonus habit that I wanted to share with you guys. I really feel if the first thing you do after getting out of bed is making the bed, you really set yourself up to be more productive and ready to take on that day. When things are clean and in their right spot, you just feel better starting something, whether that's starting the day or even cooking. When things are clean and organized, you just feel that much more motivated to take on the task. All right, so the first real healthy habit that I wanted to share with you is getting in the habit of working out 4 to 5 times a week. If you know me at all, you know that I love getting a good hard workout in. Now, this does not have to be as intense as what I'm showing you here, which, by the way, shout out to Vigor Ground Fitness for really pushing my limits when it comes to working out. But anyways, it can just be taking a walk for 30 minutes, doing yoga, taking the stairs, or even Zumba, which by the way, I love doing. But something that just gets your heart pumping a little more than usual. I guarantee once you find something that you love, working out really won't feel like a chore anymore and will really become a part of your everyday lifestyle. All right, so the next healthy habit that I wanted to share with you guys is making sure and having apple cider vinegar every single day. So if you watch my What I Eat in a Day video, you've already seen me make this recipe. It's basically just a couple tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. You want to make sure it's the one with the mother. It sounds funny, but it'll say it on the label. That's basically the one with all the nutrients. And then I add a couple tablespoons of lemon juice and a little bit of water, mix it together and chug it down. Now, it's not the best tasting drink, but the benefits of apple cider vinegar are that it regulates blood sugar levels, reduces blood pressure, enhances weight loss. It basically curbs your appetite. It lowers cholesterol and improves your gut health. Along with the lemon juice, that's a great source of vitamin C. It boosts your immune system, and it basically replenishes all those body salts that you've lost during your workout session. So even though it's not the greatest tasting drink, the benefits of it totally outweigh it. So I definitely recommend that you fit this into your lifestyle. So the next healthy habit that I wanted to share with you guys is making sure and drinking enough water every single day. Now, some people will say that's 2/3 times your body weight in ounces or 8 to 10 glasses per day. Whatever it is, just make sure that you're hydrated. Now, people get bored with water. I know I do. Sometimes I will add lemons and berries. During the summer, I like to add fresh mint from my garden. Basically, anything that's fruity in my fridge, I'll go ahead and add it to just give my water an infused flavor. I also absolutely love sparkling water. LaCroix is my favorite, so I have all different kinds of flavors to just keep it interesting. And then, of course, for me, I love plain water as well. So basically, just get rid of the habit of drinking juices that are high in sugar or soda. So make sure that water is your number one drink. So the next healthy habit is a very important one to help keep you on track. Meal prepping is so incredibly important to ensure that you are not veering off track, that you're eating what you should, and that you are putting in all the right ingredients into your body. So I do this on Sunday night. I will sit down and write out what I plan to eat for lunch and dinners. Usually I'll make sure and write out exactly what I'll have for lunch just so that I can take it to work and be prepped that way. And then dinners usually is something that I will cook fresh or just make sure that I have it half prepped so that after work it's not too much time in the kitchen. So for me, I like to just lay out everything on my island and just start prepping what I want for lunch. So in this case, I was having pasta for lunch, and then I'll have some veggies on the side. I'll make sure and lay out my breakfast. And then in my planner or in my meal prep book, I just lay out what I'm going to be having for dinner. So everything is just well thought out and there is no guessing in it. And it basically just keeps you accountable to what your health and fitness goals are for that week. The last healthy habit that I wanted to share with you guys is making sure and getting enough sleep every single day. Sleep is so important for the body. It really helps rejuvenate yourself and basically puts you in a better mood in the morning. I try to get to bed around the same time every single day, 9 to 9:30, and have my lights off by 10. I also make sure that I'm not just using my phone right before I get into bed and that I'm reading or, just doing something else besides staring at my phone. And that really just kind of calms you down before you're going into bed, and then just ensures that your brain isn't still working once you close your eyes. So it's something hard, and I get it. As you get older, all the responsibilities and priorities take over, so it's harder to get into bed earlier and get enough sleep, but definitely try your hardest to get enough sleep. All right, there you guys go. Those are 5 of my healthy habits that I wanted to share with you guys. These are healthy habits that I truly do on a daily basis and that I've incorporated into my everyday life. And I wanted to share it with you guys in case it helps you and motivates you to get into a healthier habit of doing things. If you like these types of videos, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.